Before we check in with Jess, let's check in with you like we always do. Some people, including us, have ice disc fever. Laura shared this video with us from Lake Arrowhead, and while it's really just a bunch of ice, we like to think of it as a bunch of mini ice discs. Thanks to Laura for sharing this with us. You can watch this video and more like it on the Near Me section of the News Center Maine app. That's also where you can submit stuff of your own. And Jess, we're just getting over the first shot of bitter cold, but how about another round, right?
Yeah, this weekend, I mean, the wind chills this weekend, it's going to feel like 20 to 30 below for some of us for part of the day on Saturday, especially early in the morning. So we'll talk about that. We got a lot of wintry weather to talk about, which is appropriate because it's the middle of January. Tonight, not a lot going on. We have some clouds out there, a couple snow showers in parts of northern Maine. Tomorrow, we could see a few flurries, some moisture here off to our south, and that'll be in the form of snow for some of us in down east Maine as we go through the day tomorrow. Some of us just see a couple flakes, and some of us don't see anything at all except for the clouds. So let's go through the hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow and into the weekend as well. We'll start out with temperatures pretty comfortable tomorrow, mid to upper 20s or so for most of us for the day. You can see as we go through the morning, we'll start to see a couple rain showers potentially along the coast where those temperatures are on the mild side. Then notice in eastern Maine, a couple snow showers develop in the early afternoon. Now it's really only far eastern Washington County, Lubec, Eastport into Machias as well. That'll see this snow as we go through tomorrow evening. Could see a few flakes move to the Bar Harbor area or so. Bangor, you may even see a few snow showers. I know this model isn't showing that, but potentially a few snow showers there, and I'll show you that snow map in just a minute. Snow continues into very late Friday night or very early Saturday morning, and then things will start to wrap up. The rest of the state, for the most part, will stay dry. Again, a few flakes possible for tomorrow. Notice what happens though by Saturday morning. These are just the actual air temperatures. So this isn't even factoring in the wind that we're going to see. And we'll look at that in just a second as well. High temperatures on Saturday. This is going to do it upper single digits and lower teens or so. We'll make it to about 10 in Portland. So extremely cold on Saturday. And again, we're going to see wind too. I've adjusted the snowfall map a little bit and actually moved these contour lines a little bit farther east. It looks like, again, those highest amounts will only be in far eastern Maine. Now the wind will pick up as we head into tomorrow afternoon and evening. Overnight into early Saturday, those winds gusting 40 to 45 miles an hour or so. And of course, when you have temperatures down in the single digits and even below zero through some of the overnight hours, plus those very gusty winds, these are the wind chills. This is what it could feel like as we go into early Saturday morning. 25 below in Portland, 30 below in Lewiston in the mountains and higher elevations. It's actually so cold, we ran out of colors. Once we get to 40 below, we don't have any more colors left for that. So the message is here, of course, to be very, very safe if you're heading out at all early Saturday morning. Wind chill warnings in effect, wind chill advisories in effect. Either way you look at it, it is going to be very, very cold. Make sure you're dressing warm and protecting your skin if you're going to be out either late Friday or very early Saturday morning. And then we have Monday too. Don't forget this little situation here. It could bring us some snow to parts of the state. We may see some rain mixing close to the coast. We'll be fine tuning those details though as we go through the next couple of days. Seas tomorrow 2 to 4 feet. By tomorrow afternoon, they'll be more like 4 to 7 feet. Winds tomorrow afternoon and evening could gust as high as 45 knots as well. So again, for tomorrow, it's going to be cloudy for most of us, a few flurries and windy, especially as we go into tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then look at those temperatures, both Saturday and Sunday this weekend, just brutally cold. Again, the wind will really be the worst as we go into very late Friday night or through the morning hours on Saturday. That's when those wind chills will be at their worst too. It could be possible to feel like 20 to 30 below early Saturday morning. So if you are out there, please, please just be safe. Temperatures a couple degrees warmer by Sunday, plus the wind will be a lot better. And then on Monday, looks like potential for another snowstorm. Inland locations could maybe even see some double-digit snowfall. By Monday, we'll clear out, and then it gets cold again as we head into the rest of next week, Zach. So we've got a little snow, then we've got very cold temperatures, then potentially that big storm for Monday.
Wow, lots to keep track of, but I'm still not over that wind chill of 41 below in Rangeley. Like, what?
There's no more colors to even talk about it.
Wow, thanks, Jess.
Yeah, thanks.